It is our third SeaDay. Third SeaDay, not third in a row, but third SeaDay total. Today we are at sea. We're heading towards Grand Turk. Here is the map channel. Wow, that pulled up perfectly for you guys. Here's where we are right now. So here is Dominican Republic, and here is San Juan, Puerto Rico, that kind of thing. And then there's this little tiny island right here. And it looks like we're gonna pass in between that little tiny island and that big island, Dominican Republic. We are having a full day at sea today. If you don't know who I am, my name is Josh. I'm your host for this wonderful, amazing journey. We're on our 8-day Caribbean cruise. We went down to Aruba and Curacao. We still have Grand Turk left to go see. Today, we are gonna be doing something that everybody, and when I say everybody, I mean just about everybody, has asked me to do on a fun ship. And that is the SeaDay Brunch. Everybody wants to know it. It's something that I've never done, so I would like to see it as well. So we're gonna be heading down in just a few minutes. Right now, I think it's 10:30 or something like that. 10:45 maybe. 10:45 by now. Yeah, 10:45 right now. 10:50. We are going to be heading down and getting that SeaDay Brunch really quick. It's open until 1, so we're good. I think we're right in the middle of breakfast and lunch, which makes it brunch. Heading down, we're gonna be doing that, and then we're gonna try, hopefully if the wind's not too, what's the wind? What's the wind? Where's the wind at? 25 knots, 25 knots. That should be okay. We're gonna try and do the ropes course and the water slides today, hopefully. Hopefully the wind's not too strong and they don't shut them down, but if they do, we will have to get them in either tomorrow or our last SeaDay. Guys, can you believe it? We have today, tomorrow, and one more SeaDay, and then we're off the ship. Oh my goodness, I can't do it. So yeah guys, let's head up top. Let's see if we can see anything of Dominican Republic. I've got my Josh Oakham official sunglasses and I'm ready to go. Make sure you get yours now. Remember, don't forget the buy 2 special. Head over to the website, get those now, and get anything you like. But these come with free shipping with the buy 2 special. So you get 2 pairs for 1 price of shipping, and you get maybe 10% off. I don't know, I'll think about it. Oh man, it already sounds busy out there. Oh yeah, it totally is. Wow. Oh my goodness. Woo, we got some sunbathers out here this morning. Alright, it looks like they're open right now. Hopefully they stay that way. It's open for now. We'll see in 2 hours. So we're not quite sure if we have to check in on deck 5 like we do for your time dining, or we just go straight to the restaurant. So we're on deck 5, we'll see and we'll let you know. That is a no. So it looks like we're just gonna go straight down. Oh, there's our favorite guy ever, Esteban. There's Esteban.
Oh, he's hosting Trivial Pursuit.
Yeah. Poor guy, poor guy. Hello, good morning. Love us. Thank you. Mmm, smells good in here. Thank you. Okay, we're here. We finally did it.
We made it.
After how many cruises people have asked me to do this? We finally did. I'm just feeling alive this morning. I am feeling well rested today. Let's see, here is our menu. SeaDay Brunch.
Wow, look at the desserts.
Hello.
Sure.
Alright, and then let's see what's on the back.
So the
Fun.
cheese is delicious. You can mix anything you want in it.
Huh.
Yeah.
Steak and eggs.
Yeah, that looks good too.
Funnest French toast. Ooh, I've heard of that.
I smell the cereal.
Whoa. Double chocolate brownie.
Dude, look at the caramelized cheesecake.
Warm fudge, salted caramel sauce, and cookie crumbs.
So you have to get that and the cheesecake. Look, it's caramelized cheesecake with salted caramel.
You and cheesecake, man. You had an obsession with it on the Allure. You have an obsession with it today.
Thank you.
I'm gonna do... Can I do a cinnamon, please?
Cinnamon?
Yes, thank you. Yum, yum. And that's it. Thank you. Ooh la la.
Okay, I'm gonna
This looks
do
super yummy, guys. I'm really impressed.
mac and cheese.
May have to come here on the last SeaDay too. we got our beautiful, beautiful meal here at the SeaDay Brunch on the Carnival Sunshine. Peter got cheese, and more cheese.
Mac and cheese with steak.
And then what was that? It's grits,
Cheese
right?
grits.
Cheese grits, yeah. Yuck. And then here I got the, so this is a very popular cereal crusted French toast. So we got it with Fruit Loops, and I guess that's powdered sugar. That looks super yummy. I can't wait to try that. And then we also got, I got the pork chop here with onion, and I thought it was gonna be brown beans, but it looks like green beans actually. So they threw some healthier options in there. Let's dig in. I'm excited to see how it is. So I don't really care for this one too much. This is good. It just as it gets more wet, it becomes less good.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I give it an okay. I think for today. I don't know if it would be at the top of my list of things to come back to. The other thing to keep in mind is I'm not a breakfast person at all. I'm not a breakfast person at all. So this was a big step for me anyway. You know. The green beans, so they have like a. Did you try one of the green beans? Try it. Try it. It's like a pickle.
What is this?
It's like a I don't know. It's like pickled green beans.
What is this?
No, it had a. Oh, it had a bad.
What's on this carrot?
I don't know.
And what's this?
I think that's onion. I'm not sure. Because it was a weird dish. This was a very weird dish.
Sugar.
I don't know. What is it?
It's a carrot. But I don't know what's on it.
What's it taste like?
Gritty, green.
Grits.
Oh. Real? Oh. I was like, that's some dry grits. That's grits now.
Alright, let me try these things now. So these are supposed to be green beans?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know. They didn't have a good flavor to me.
Oh. These are spicy.
It wasn't spicy.
They have a weird flavor.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
We're having some dessert.
Can we see the menu real quick?
We have banana cream pie, brownies, and cheesecake. Just 3, and ice cream.
What about that? Wasn't there a chocolate?
Brownie?
The brownie?
Yes, brownie, double chocolate brownie, cheesecake, and banana cream pie.
Okay.
Okay. I think we'll do the double chocolate brownie.
Banana cream pie.
Banana cream pies. Good. Alright, I'll try
Banana
it.
cream pie and brownie.
And brownie, yes, thank you.
Yeah.
So we got our dessert here, and I do have to say this looks super, super yummy. Look at that. That looks delicious. So this is, what was this called? The double chocolate
brownie.
Double chocolate brownie. It's got cookie crumbs and chocolate sauce and ice cream, and a whole bunch of really yummy stuff. And then Peter got the banana
cream pie.
cream pie.
Which she recommends.
Yeah, that looks super yummy too. So maybe dessert will make up for main course. Unfortunately, I didn't really care for the main course too much. So maybe this will make up for it. Bye bye. See you tonight. All right, we're just out of there. We're done. That brownie was also dry. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Maybe we came too late or.
It goes to 1:30.
Till 1:30, right? I don't know.
$12.80.
I don't know. It was just dry. I mean, it had a good flavor. It was just really dry. So it is what it is. At least I tried it. There's my experience. But like I said, I'm not a breakfast person at all. So I don't know if I'm the best candidate for this test. Cha-ching, 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 cha-ching.
Look at it now, bud. Stop for a minute.
Do they have the 2 for $20 again?
5 for. Oh yeah, this is the shirt. Keep calm and cruise on.
Keep calm and cruise on.
2 for $20.
Huh. It's not a bad deal. Grand Turk. Turks and Caicos Carnival. Oh, that's cute. So many stairs. This is how we stay fit on a cruise ship. Who needs the gym, right? We're gonna get the GoPro really quick, and then we're going to ropes course, right?
Yeah.
So hopefully it's open. We're gonna go check out the ropes course, see what that's all about. Peter's not doing it, but I totally, 100% am definitely doing it. Don't even try and tell me it's not open. No. I think so. Why? The water slides are open. They got water flowing through them. Aww. Aww. That sucks. Yeah. Oh, here it is. You ready? Ah! Oh my God. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Ah! Aha! I don't know, guys. I don't know. We had some fun playing the foosball. So the water park's open. So we can definitely do the water slides. That's weird though, because those are up higher. Right. How does that make any sense? Right. How does that make any sense? Whatever. I think Mikey's supposed to be doing something up at the Lido pool. You want to go check that out?
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's go check that out real quick.
If you're ready to have some fun, everybody on that deck that doesn't have a name, make some noise. If you're ready to have some fun, everybody on deck number 10, make some noise. And if you're upstairs on deck number 11 and 12, make some noise. Yeah, all three of you, perfect. All right, let's have some fun, y'all. This is track number 1. Hit it. Listen, baby, ain't no mountain high. All right, you get a prize. Okay, stay right here. The prizes are on the way. You get free ice water over there. Oh, I'm just kidding. The prizes are on the way. What's your name?
Thomas.
Thomas, give it up for Thomas. Got track number 1. DJ, turn it up. Let's go.
We got him.
Sing it, come on. Here we go, here we go. Sweet home Alabama. Come on. Gentlemen, thank you very much for coming out and having some fun with me. You are awesome. Keep having fun.
No,
Keep
you're
a smile on
awesome.
your face. Enjoy. If you want to get involved, get involved. If you want to sit back and relax, sit back and relax. You have deserved and earned this vacation. Thank you for coming. Before I carry on, can you please give it up for DJ Herc spinning the tune? And please keep that round of applause going for a group of people that spend all day out here taking care of you. Give it up for the bar staff, the pool and deck staff, security, guys, Burger, Blue Iguana, Cantina. You guys are awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, have a fantastic day. Don't forget we have shows tonight, lots of shenanigans going on. Everybody say bye, Mikey.
Bye, Mikey.
If I haven't met you yet, come say hi. DJ, spin us a tune.
I swear, every single thing he hosts, every single event he hosts,
He puts like 100.
the smallest event to the largest event is fantastic.
Great.
Wow, this is so packed. Wow, oh my God, that thing was so packed. There's no way we're getting in that right now. Yeah. So they made a special announcement. We arrived about 45 minutes late into Aruba the other day. So since we did, the captain and the hotel director and Mikey had a meeting, and they decided they're going to extend our stay in Grand Turk 1 hour. So we get an extra hour in Grand Turk tomorrow. That's awesome. That's so fun. So we were supposed to be docked 8 to 4. Now it's going to be 8 to 5. So we really do get a full day. I mean, 8 to 4 was already a full day. Now it's an extremely full day. So back on board was 3:30. It's now 4:30. How fun is that?
I love it.
Really
so
cool.
excited.
Really cool. So we were gonna do the ropes course and all that stuff. For the ropes course is closed, and I don't understand why. Because the water slides are open and the water slides are up higher. So why is the ropes course closed if the water slides are... I don't know, whatever. So hopefully they'll either be open later today or they'll be open tomorrow or the last sea day, because otherwise we won't get to do the ropes course. And that's really, which is not like we could have done it because they were literally closed the first 2 sea days because it was windy. It was 50, 51 knot winds the first 2 sea days. So there's no way we could have done it then either. So that's one thing that I guess if it's just the slightest little bit of wind, they do shut that down here in the sunshine for some reason. So I'm not sure why, because right now it's saying 28 knots, which is really not a lot. Like, we were able to stand out on the open decks without any issue, any problem. So, there's our little minute of complaining done, our little frustrations. We are going to go back to the water slides and hang out at the water park for a little bit and then probably chillax up on deck, work on the tan a little bit because I am not dark enough yet. I need to get much darker. Much darker.
I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
All changed up, ready to go to the water park. We actually just got a little gift from the hotel director. He says, Bon Voyage, Mr. Peter and Mr. Joshua, our stateroom number. He gave us 4 chocolate strawberries. Yes, one is missing. I already had one. Thank you, hotel director. What is his name? Freddie, right? Yeah, Freddie, I got it. Freddie, thank you, Mr. Freddie. I appreciate that. Sunshine crew really looking out for us here. So, we're gonna head down to the water park, I think, and watch. Now you guys watch. Now that we've changed up, we've gotten already. Watch the ropes course be open right now. I swear. All right. So it's open. You know that means we're doing it. We are doing it.
Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me. Kick it with the homies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
Just got done at the water park up there. We ran up here. We're here at Serenity. It's so nice here. Well, it was until the wonderful creatures from above decided to deliver a present to my shorts. I just got pooped on.
That's good luck though.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't like that kind of good luck. It's all over the deck though. It's literally all over the place. I don't get it. I mean, I get it. I get the bird, you know, they gotta do the do, but come on, can you not do your do right here? Please? Next time. Hair. He's worried about his hair back there. What? No! Make sure that our food looks fantastic. So nice.
I'm just thirsty when it is. I'm like so thirsty.
You will definitely fall and bust your booty.